Okay, the teeth are tacked on. The gussets to brace the teeth are tacked on. The middle brackets are tacked on. And I've also put a bracket down here. I was going to put it on the bolt of the arm, but I thought that would make it harder for me to remove it, and it might hit the arm when it was actuating. So the brackets are very similar to brackets that are used to attach other lower ends of the actuators. So those are not CNC cut like the other ones are from CT Solutions, but they kind of mirror the same shape. I'm going to try to put a hinge bracket here, or maybe just weld it onto this, because this is a hinge. Weld the bracket from here to here so that when this is fully extended, this is closed, and when this is fully retracted, this is open as far as it's going to go. I'll give that a shot and see what happens. Okay, everything is pretty much tacked up. I've got the gussets on the teeth tacked up. I was going to put the actuator vertical, but this actuator, it worked out okay. I'm going to put it horizontal so I get a good pull on the front of the teeth, and that'll get a fairly good opening. Anyways, still got to weld everything solid. I'm going to make a couple brackets for the grapple bar, put them out here so they don't get any interference with anything. And look at maybe I got some 1.5 inches I can use without having to cut anything up too badly. Anyway, that's the way things are going so far. Okay, this is the result just before painting. I changed the mount from down here to up here because I couldn't get the right angle on the pivot point to have this open far enough. This opens quite a ways. It's enough to grab things with, and of course the 12-inch actuator is very long. In the future, if I wanted to rebuild this or do it differently, I would probably use a shorter actuator. I'm not sure if an 8-inch would work just as well, or a 4-inch maybe mounted closer would give me the same amount of range of motion. I'm not sure, but everything is welded up. I got one little cap to put on the end of this tube here. Weld that up this morning, and it's ready for paint. And then once I paint it up, I'll go out and get it dirty and see how it works. So here it is, all painted up, and that is the maximum opening for the teeth in the grapple. It looks pretty good. I haven't had a chance to use it on anything yet, but this is the way it works. I've got this is the front end loader up and down. This is the bucket curl, which is already curled already, so I'll raise it up a little bit. I'll curl the bucket down. And this switch here actually operates the grapple. I'll curl that down a little bit. The 500-pound actuator is a little bit slower than the 1,000-pounders, but that's okay. Slow is good. That's the way it works. I'll have another video of it in action at some point once it quits raining and I can actually get out in the yard without tearing it up any more than I already do. So there it is. Later.